Hello, all the investors. Welcome to Stock Market Watch. And this is Michelle. In this video, I will give you a fundamental and also technical analysis for the US and Canada stock market. And I will give you a general idea what's happened in the stock market today. Hope that video will help you about your investment. Okay, first let's see the US market. First, the Dow Jones Industrial Average was introduced 120 years old today, but it doesn't look as it, right? So the U.S. stock market in the Dow Jones have changed over the years, of course, but this measure of the market have stayed relevant. For many investors, the 30 stocks as you know, the Dow Jones is calculated by the average of the major 30 stocks in different sectors. So the 30 stocks that comprise the Dow Jones reflect the health and the direction of U.S. economic. And as today is the birthday of Dow Jones, so this is a very stable birthday they spend, I think. From the number, we can see it. The U.S. stock market closed little changed today after 2 days of strong gains as crude oil future failed to hang on a about movement above the 50 a barrel, and the investor um, wrote off better than expect economic report. So orders for the durable goods um, manufacturing in the U.S. dropped in the April, and fueled by higher demand for new cars, trucks, and also the commercial jets. But a key measure of the business investment fell again. Meanwhile, the jobless climb delayed to a 1 month low last week, so suggesting the labor market remain robust. So the Dow Jones Industrial, as you see today, have a 0.30% split, 23.22 points, and closed at 17,828.29, and following 359 points really over the previous two sections. The average trade within a narrow range of 85 points over today's session. And S&P 500 index have almost didn't change today. So there is 0.02 percentage spending today, and closed down 0.44 points at 2090.10, especially for the way down by the materials and financial sectors. And the best today is the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq index, which had also spent a section switch between slight gains and lows, closed up 6.88 points at 4901.77, have a 0.40% up. And for the Canada market, it's also because the investors already think the oil price at a $50 borrow will be a resistant, so Canada stock have a 0.73% down, closed at 14049.20. Okay, especially for today, most the best one, the best one is the Nasdaq. So let me see some stock in the Nasdaq. The first will be the big blue chips, Apple. So from the Apple, we can see it's already climbed up for more than 1 week. And in our homely software, there is a signal, the signal called right and Y circle. This indicator is quite simple. So the first right circle appear is a buy point, and the first white circle appear is the sell point. So if you have our software, the indicator of Y and right circle already told you to buy at that point. So if you buy at that point, you already earn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 trading days. And if you calculate that from today here to here, 9 trading days, 9 trading days, and you already earned almost 10%. Okay, so this is Apple. And if you want to double check with the volume, you can see the block money is decreased day by day. And for today, if you see very clearly, there is bankers money in. That means some big money already invested in the Apple stock. And the next for today will be the HP. And HP have a big increase today. That is for the new high since last November. So right now today create new high since the last November. And also from our right and right circle to tell you, the first right circle appear is at that day. And if you calculate on that price here, only 5 trading days, you already earned more than 50% benefit. And if you double check with the multiple color dragon, the profit chips just increased. So you can double confirm from the volume and also the trend together. And also a very hot stock we talk about recently is Netflix. And for Netflix is also increased. And the red circle up here is on the May 20th, and right now already for more than 1 week increase. And also the returners money is decreased every day, and the profit chips is increased every day. So you can double check, get the answer from the trend and the volume together. The last one is Tesla. And the Tesla, they have a big movement from here. is this way. This way is a very big increase, and the reason why here, because you can see from that part, the just the blue disappear and the red all the way up. So that's why at that point it's increased a lot. And of course, this is also the period of the public new car, which is more cheaper, but you can get a book at right now and get a car in the 2017. So they have a very good sale during after the car public. And after that, the banker just run away. So there is have a retailer in to let the banker earn money. And right now, according to the increase at that part, so the retailers money is also, we can see is the people who lose money in this stock is decreased every day, and the bankers keep to going on. So you also can hope to focus on in the Tesla about the future. But the Tesla from the realm I circle already to mention you to buy and that point. So that is on the May 18th. May 18th. So that is today's stock market analysis. If you want to follow the video by free on basically daily basis, you can follow my Facebook. And this is the initial stock market watch, Michelle Wang. And you also can send your stock market stock code to my email or some good suggestion to my email. I will analyze it for you. So that is today's stock market watch. Thank you for you to watch it. See you tomorrow.